Okay. 14 are there. I'm just waiting for others to come. 15 are there. There were 20 members. They are still taking break.
Ma'am,
Yes, children. Yes, please. Can you hear me?
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
okay. Okay, fine, fine. There are 16 members. There were 20 members. I will wait for 1 more minute and then I'll start. So now I'm repeating from the first line again, children. When the bodies were taken down to be thrown to the crows and vultures, the people panicked. The people panicked means they were shocked and they were troubled. They were really very upset and they were thinking what to do because it was really shocking for them. They didn't know what to do. They didn't know what to do. Right, children? So what happened? They saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. Everybody was confused. What has happened? All night they murmured. Why all night? Why not all day? See the sentence.
Ma'am, because night they
Yeah, Shrijan, there is, I think, little bit problem with your sound. I don't know. I'm not able to listen to you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
they will be, ma'am.
Yes.
they will wake up in night, ma'am. That's why
Yeah,
they will.
that was very good, very good. That was the rule of the city, no? That was the rule of this town, that they should get up in the night only. Daytime, no activities, only in the night time, every activities. And can anyone please count what are the activities they used to do in the night time? You will be asked question and exactly from the same you can take and tell me. From
Ma'am,
the, yes,
ma'am, markets and shops will be opened in the night, and the farm trilling will be done at night time.
till
And
Till.
till
Till. Okay, they'll till their, yes, good.
and cattle and buffaloes and even rats will be also waking at night time only.
Yes, yes. And they were also trained. Actually, they also got habituated that they will get up in the night only. Right? So all, even animals, human beings, everybody, everything. Got children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the whole thing, it happened in the night. All night they mourned and mourn, mourn, mourn means crying and becoming very sad. All night they became very sad and discussed the future of the kingdom. Because now when the king is not there, when the king has died, what to do? How the kingdom will run? Now suddenly nobody was there to take the decision, the future of the kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the Guru. Suddenly they thought of the Guru and the disciple and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. So what happened, that some people suddenly thought that there was one Guru and the disciple, and these two, they were planning to run away from this town. They wanted to leave this, not exactly run away, but they just wanted to leave this town. They did not want to live in this town. So suddenly somebody thought of this and people caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. We people need a king and a minister, said someone. They said that we now, because the king and the minister, they have died, we want a king and we want a minister, said someone. Others agreed. They begged the guru and the disciple to be their king. Begged means they requested. They requested that the king, that the guru and his disciple, now they should be they are requesting, actually they were requesting that they should be now the king and the minister of this kingdom. You are understanding? Till now they were saints only, but now they are getting an opportunity to be the king and their minister. So they means the people, the public of that town, they requested the guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. It didn't take many arguments to persuade the disciple. Actually, the disciple is always greedy of eating, greedy of some things, but he is a good-hearted man. He was following the king. But what happened? They did not have to do much. They did not have to do much to persuade. Persuade means to make him agree. He agreed. Who agreed easily? The disciple agreed easily to be the minister. He was happy. But it took longer to convince, it took longer to take into confidence the guru. Persuade means convince. So they could not convince the guru, but they very easily convinced the disciple. So disciple agreed, I will be the minister. But the guru was not ready. But they finally agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and the silly minister on the condition, only on one condition, that they could change all the old laws. So they decided that whatever the old law was there, they will change the laws. From then on, night would again be night and day would again be day, and you could get nothing for a dudu. You know that what it is. It is a
Currency used in Kannada, ma'am.
very good. And it became like any other place. So now on the bottom, you can see that A.K. Ramanujan is a storyteller. So it is a folk tale in Kannada. So yes, it is. It belongs to that place. So now, children, I'll request you to go through this last page quickly and ask me if there is any problem. I wanted to talk to this Charan. K. Charan, if I'm not wrong, this is his name, the new child. Where is he? Can I see you?
Ma'am.
Is this Charan? Yes, K.
Yes,
Charan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Charan, see, you are new to the classes. I think you are new to the teachers. I don't know how you are finding it. So this is the first time I'm interacting to you like this. How are you
Yes.
finding? Are you okay with this?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Very good. So you are understanding the lessons
Yes, ma'am.
in all the subjects?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you understood this story also?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So Charan, see, wherever there is any problem or anything, you can talk to your class teacher anytime related to academics or subjects. Otherwise, every child they can do and everyone can do, but they know how to approach the teacher because you are new. That's why I am giving you this instruction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Take care. So revise it, children, quickly.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Vishal, do you want to say something? Vishal, you are raising hand.
Ma'am, by mistake.
Okay, okay, fine. Never mind. It's okay. Yeah, Rutvik Rao, do you want to say? Okay, so you people are trying to highlight you. No, no, you all, I can see every one of you. You all are important, I know. Anybody has any problem, you can talk. See, quickly finish it, then I will talk to you over some other matters also. Then we will start with the question answers. And maybe today or tomorrow, I will share all these question answers of this with you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And children, see, my effort should not be wasted. See, we are teaching to you, and you all should note down everything, whatever we are giving. Especially, I had given you some question answers, some extra question answers. Aditya, you want to say something? No? Okay. So, children, you should note down all the question answers because these may come in your exams also. But it is not compulsory because you know your question paper will be made by CBSE, so we will get your question paper from there. So it may happen that exactly in the same form you may get the question or little bit twisted language. So you should not get disheartened if you are getting twisted language, because whatever the question they are asking, the questions will be only from the story. If you have understood the story very clearly and nicely, the concept is clear, whatever the question they are asking, you should be able to write. That's why these questions I have given you the answers. So you should read, study, learn them all answers in context of the story, so that if any kind of question is being asked to you, you should be able to answer, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed.
Very good.
Completed, ma'am.
Good, good.
Completed, ma'am.
Right. Fine. So after this, children, I will start, not right now, but what is your next class?
Maths, ma'am.
Maths.
At what time it will start? What is the time of your next class?
Ma'am, 11:10, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so still we have some time, maybe some 10, 15, 20 minutes we have. Right, children? So, see, tomorrow is Father's Day, right? And tomorrow is International Yoga Day. So on this occasion, I mean, there are two occasions tomorrow. We have shared some messages. So tomorrow, your yoga teacher will conduct one session through our YouTube channel of yoga. So I will request all of you, along with your parents or any members who are there in the family, those who want to join us for 1 hour, all the teachers, all the students, everybody will participate in it, right? And one more
Ma'am,
message,
timings.
10 o'clock, morning 10 o'clock, children,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So our yoga teacher,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, our yoga teacher,
Ma'am,
yes, please tell me, Srijan.
ma'am, they said on Sunday there will be exam, no, ma'am?
Yes, there has to be an exam also. That's why I was thinking what to do. But have we given the time of the exam?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Jayaprakash sir said sir will conduct tomorrow.
This is
One GA.
this is not exactly like at 10 o'clock. So today by evening we will tell you the time of the test also, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
means every subject test will be there or weekly
Only
one?
maths, ma'am.
Only math is there tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not ready for all the subjects?
We are ready,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. They are saying that daily only math subject will be or all subjects it will be.
The- Okay, GAT. So let me discuss, and by evening we will tell you all children that what will be the conditions. So tomorrow, 10 o'clock, I'll request everyone to join for that yoga session. And then there is one more message which is shared in the group. That is Father's Day celebration. So how are you celebrating that? There is one small video we have shared, and there is one, I think, small competition is also there. So you are expected to act like father. It's given there in your broadcast group, which your school sends you on broadcast, school broadcast
Yes,
number,
ma'am.
right? So
Yes, ma'am. They sent.
act like a father is there. So you have to click some pics also, and some things are there. Please go through that. It is very interesting. So you will enjoy that. So tomorrow celebrate that and share pics with us also. If there is any
Okay,
doubt,
ma'am.
you can talk to Manisha madam, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So tomorrow we'll do that. Second, we will celebrate yoga day. And third, we have this test also. Let us see what subjects we have planned. I will talk to Jayaprakash sir. Math is ready. and the rest which subject is there. So we will inform you, right, children?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now see, in this story, is there any doubt, any problem, anything you would like to discuss?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so your fair notebook is there with you?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good. Then note down the question. Question number 1, which is there in your textbook. Yes. This
Okay, ma'am.
moments, page number. I will.
Your voice is low, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So children, I think this is page number 27 in your textbook, right? Textbook of moments. In this, think about it. Think about it is, so we will discuss the question answers now, and later on I will send you all the notes also, right? So you can just raise your
Okay,
hand. I can see your hands here. Anybody who raises the hand, so I will tell the name of the child who can unmute and tell me the answer. Those who are interested to answer the questions, please raise your hand. I'm reading the question. Children, you have the book in your hands, on your tables. The book is there. And did I tell you that this words and expressions is available in the school? And those who want to take,
Yes.
they can take the book also, okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
I
took
took,
ma'am
ma'am.
already. I took
Right.
ma'am already.
Very good, very good. So those who, because you know, after this, I want that one story, then some grammar, then some story grammar. This way I wanted to conduct the class. So let us see. There is one more teacher who's coming. One more English teacher. She's coming from Calcutta. So most probably tomorrow morning she will reach. So I'll try to give a little bit of portion to her also. So she may take some classes and I may take some classes, right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Good, she's good. I have interacted with her. She has good communication also, and she explains well also. So the first question is, what are the two strange things the guru and his disciple find in the kingdom of fools? Yes, Abhinaya.
Yeah, ma'am. Means night is become day, ma'am. Day is become night, ma'am. And they are doing household works and selling the things in night, ma'am. It is different. Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Anybody else wants to speak in your words? Who's the next? Yeah, Shrijan, please tell.
Ma'am, they thought that for everything there is only one what that
Cost.
currency, ma'am.
Yes, one cost.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is that cost? 1 rupee.
1 rupee, ma'am.
Yes, 1 rupee for. So what are the two strange things? They have asked only two strange things. So the first, which is really very, very strange, that is the day is night and night is called day in this town. And the next is everything is sold at the same cost. Everything was cheap and cost the same. So this was another thing. Now the next is, why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools? Is it a good idea?
Ma'am, because
Because he is
they
a
are
foodie,
less cost,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wait.
Everything is cheap.
Very less cost now, ma'am. That's why.
I told you to raise only your hands and only I'll tell. Siri, she has not given any answer. So now I'll give the chance to Siri. She has raised her hand. Yes, Siri, please tell.
Man, the disciple thinks that he was a foodie person and has a cheaper price in that kingdom,
Okay, very good.
and it is not a good idea.
Good. Why it is not good idea, Siri?
Ma'am, by eating more food, he can become fat.
Any other reason that it is not a good idea? Yes, Region, tell me.
Ma'am, because his guru already said that it is a kingdom of fools, ma'am. There can be any problem at any time. So
Because we
don't be
never
here.
know. We never know what they will do next. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
reason. So Siri, Otherwise, your answer was correct, but please add one more thing in your answer, that it was not a good idea to live in that town because that was the kingdom of fools, and the fools can do they can take any wrong decision also. Okay, then come to the next. Uh, who is the real culprit according to the king?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, third question.
third question, ma'am.
Okay, I left any question. Okay, fine. Name all the people who are tried in the king's court and give the reason of their trial. Tried means that they were called for question answers and all this. They were called and so many questions were asked to him. So you can just name all the people who are tried in the king's court and give the reason. So number one, who was called to the king's court?
Rich merchant and thief, ma'am.
Merchant, ma'am.
First of all, the rich merchant was called. Second,
Dancing girl.
No,
Bricklayer.
no,
ma'am,
the
ma'am,
bricklayer.
bricklayer, ma'am.
Second, the bricklayer.
Bricklayer.
Then girl,
Dance
ma'am.
girl.
The dancing girl. And
And
then
the
Smith.
goldsmith.
goldsmith. But finally,
Yes.
His father. Merchant's father, ma'am.
but he had died. So again,
He's died.
So,
So merchant on him.
came.
right. So the owner of the house, that is the merchant, then the bricklayer, the dancing girl, and the goldsmith were tried in the king's court. They all were tried because the thief died when the wall of merchant's house had collapsed. The merchant was tried for building a weak wall. The bricklayer was tried for doing his work carelessly. The dancing girl was called for disturbing the concentration of the bricklayer. The goldsmith was blamed for making the dancing girl walk up and down of his house a dozen times. Right, children? Right. The next question
ma'am.
is, who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment? As per the king's judgment, the rich merchant is the real culprit. But why? Why?
Ma'am, because his father has died, ma'am. He has to call the illness of his father to take this punishment also.
Yeah, because he has taken all the riches, property, everything of his father, so he should take the crime of his father
The
also.
punishment also.
Yes, and the
Ma'am,
punishment also.
and house also belong to him only. That's why.
Yes, right. And the next part of the same question is, why did he escape punishment? Why did he escape punishment?
Ma'am, because that is not his mistake, ma'am. His father's mistake.
No. Come on, anyone else?
Ma'am, because that he will hang, no ma'am. That is large.
Because
is
he was
big, ma'am.
right. Because he was too thin, and
Yes, ma'am.
the stake was not of his size.
Size.
Exactly, right? So because that's why he escaped the punishment. What are the guru's words of wisdom? What are the guru's words of wisdom? The words of Guru were, this is a city of fools. You don't know what they will do next. And this is not a good idea to stay in this town. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So he did not want him to be there. Next, when does the disciple remember these words of the Guru?
Ma'am, when he will hang.
When he was taken to be hanged.
Taken his stake.
Yes. When they arrested him. And why did they arrest? They arrested him because he had grown fat enough to be suitable
Yes, ma'am.
for the stake.
Steak.
Yes. The next is, I will share these question answers with you. So you should um, write them. You should copy all the questions in your fair notebook, right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
What are the Guru's words of wisdom? This we have done. How does the Guru manage to save his disciples' life?
Ma'am,
Even
he
He
told
says
that
that
this
who
is the
will
new
die now will become the king in the next.
Not the way, not the way. Only
ma'am,
anyone.
who will die first, they will become the king, and who will die next, they will become the future of the
Okay,
king.
good, but need little more explanation. Abhinash, do you want to speak? Okay. Who wants to speak? One by one,
Ma'am.
you can.
I'll say, ma'am.
Okay, Abhinaya.
Ma'am, the steak is good now, ma'am. That's why means that is new. If the first killer will become the uh, first
Not
king of
killer,
the kingdom.
not killer. Don't say killer.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
first one who dies. Killer is
first
one
one
who
who
kills
dies.
others. Don't call
Okay,
it a
ma'am.
killer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
He will become the
Yeah.
king of the kingdom, ma'am. And
Oh, yeah.
next who will die, second who will die, they'll become the minister.
Yes, but in this the king's role is there. So we should write down that he made the king believe this. He convinced the king on this point that anybody who will die first on this stake will be the king in the next round of life, and the second person will be his minister. So the king thought that they should not give this their kingdom to somebody else. So they thought that they will die first on it. Now, see, children, there is one more talk about it in Shakespeare's play, The Fool is Not Really Foolish. If you have read or seen Shakespeare's plays such as King Lear, As You Like It, Twelfth Night, you may talk about the role of the fool. Do you know any stories in your language about wise fools, such as Tenali Ram, Gopal Bhar, who you can also read about them in Ramanujan's collection of folk tales? Now, you tell me, children, first of all, have you read any of the plays of Shakespeare? Anyone?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I hear the name, but no, ma'am.
Abhinaya, don't say heard, it is heard. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Small. You people speak very good English. I appreciate your speaking skills. You are very good speakers, but only small, wherever there are small mistakes, no? So we can correct it. So
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
heard, not heard.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
I
ma'am.
heard. Which story have you heard?
Ma'am, name I heard, ma'am.
Okay, you have heard the name of King Lear, As You Like It, Twelfth Night.
No, ma'am.
Anybody?
Shakespeare.
Okay, you have heard only the name of Shakespeare. But
Yes,
Shakespeare is a very, very great writer. We should read the dramas. You know, he has written 37 dramas. Okay, world famous dramas. He was from London. He was from England, somewhere Great Britain, you can say, or UK, you can say. So in 16th century, 1616 he died. So we call it 16th century. So he was born in 16th century, and his dramas and all, they were very, very well written and very widely read by all the people around the country, I mean around the world, right? So he's a very, very famous writer. Out of his 37 plays, I have read almost 30 of them. Beautifully written, very interesting. But I don't know, it is not in your syllabus. If I talk about ICSE board, no, there is at least one drama they have to study in grade 9 and 10, and one drama they have to study in 11th and 12th. So very, very interesting plays. I love those plays. So whenever you get any chance to read them, no, children, please take out some time to read it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good. So, children, I think your next class is about to start at 11:10. You said it will start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your sir may be waiting, right? Because I started the class late because of Bhaskar sir's class, so there was little disturbance. So it is already 10:10. Maths teacher is waiting. I'll request all you to go and join his class, right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. I will send you all the notes. Copy them in your fair notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Chalo. Okay, take care, everyone.
Okay.
Tomorrow, celebrate it nicely.
Bye.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
chalo.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Take
Bye,
care.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, everyone.